Creating persuasive Etsy product listings. Each one of your product listings in your Etsy shop need to encourage visitors to make a purchase. This may seem obvious, but it is surprising how little attention the majority of Etsy shop owners pay to their product listings. If your listings do not provide benefits to the visitor, which hit their emotional buttons, then they are not doing their job effectively. Just providing a list of features is nowhere near enough. You need to tell your visitors why they need to purchase your products right now. 3 things your product listings need to do. The best product listings in Etsy shops achieve the following 3 things. 1. They create intense value for the visitor that makes them want to own the products you are selling right now. 2. They have persuasive calls to action, CTAs, that make the visitor take action right away and purchase. 3. They include relevant keywords that will make the listings easy to find using the Etsy search feature. Most of the Etsy community will use this, and for external search engines such as Google. At this stage, you might think that this is too difficult to achieve with a product listing, but this is not the case. Once you get into writing the best possible product listings, you will find that it gets easier every time. It's all about what is in it for your visitors. Your listings need to provoke the right thoughts in the minds of your potential customers. If you are selling art prints, then you need to get them to imagine how great they will look on their wall at home. People make buying decisions based on their emotions, so it is your job to stir their emotions to a frenzy with your product listings. Some people will justify the purchases they make with logic afterwards, so a light sprinkling of logic never goes amiss. For example, telling your visitors that your prints are cheaper than your competitors is a good idea. Refer to your swipe file. In the niche research video of this training, we recommended that you create a swipe file of the top sellers on Etsy. It is always a good idea to see how they approach their product listings. What kind of language do they use? How do they convey the benefits of their products in their listings? Top sellers on Etsy tend to be masters at writing enticing product listings, so you need to learn from them. It doesn't matter if they are selling different products than you are. Just look at how they put their listings together. Imagine that you are a visitor to their Etsy shop. When you read their product listings, what appeals to you? Maybe you are not interested in what they are selling initially, but after reading their listings, you change your mind. What in the product listings prompted you to do this? Create a template for your product listings. When you write your first product listing, we recommend that you create a template or an outline for your future listings. This will help you to write all of your future listings faster. Write your first listing, and when you are happy that it meets the 3 criteria we discussed above, you can create your template. Not only will the template help you to write your product listings faster in the future and ensure that they conjure up the right level of excitement, but they are good for your Etsy shop visitors as well. Your visitors will appreciate the consistency of your product listings and will be able to find the information that they are looking for a lot faster. Include these in your product listings. There are a number of things that we recommend that you include in your Etsy shop product listings. The main benefits of the product and the features in a bulleted list. A first paragraph which explains why the product is right for the visitor, your vision. A story about why you created the product. A detailed description of the product which contains emotional triggers to captivate the reader. Here you can ask them to imagine how great the product will look in their home, how it will elicit memories from their childhood, and so on. The product dimensions and other details, such as when the product was made and the materials used. An FAQ section, which will answer the most common questions potential buyers will have, such as shipping and packaging, discount coupons for further purchases, and anything else you can think of. Calls to action, CTAs, to encourage visitors to add your product to their cart. Never assume that they will just do this. Look at product listings from other top sellers for inspiration here. By including all of the above in your product listings, you are likely to overcome any objections that the visitor may have and answer all or most of their questions. This will put them in a buying mood. Getting and using testimonials. Always ask your customers for testimonials for your products when you make sales. You can offer an incentive for a testimonial, such as a discount code for future purchases. Once you have received some testimonials, add the best ones to your product listings. Social proof is very powerful. Nobody wants to be the first customer to try out your products. So, make it your business to get as many testimonials as possible. Ask your friends, family, and colleagues to purchase your products and then provide you with testimonials to get you started. Add keywords to your product listings. You want to add as many relevant keywords to your product listings as you can. This will help your listings to appear higher in the Etsy search results and even in search engines like Google and Bing. We will discuss this in more detail in another video. Differentiate yourself from your competitors. The Etsy community are smart, and if they are interested in the products that you have to offer, then they will look for the same offer in other Etsy shops. You do not want to lose sales because of a price comparison. It is probable that the products the Etsy visitor is comparing yours to may not be the same anyway. If it is a bit cheaper than yours, then they may choose this. You need to differentiate your products from the competition. The best way to achieve this is by creating a higher perceived value for your products. There are a number of ways that you can do this. Check on your competitors' offerings and check the words that they are using in their product listings. They are probably using standard terms such as art prints. So you need to use different words that increase the perceived value. How about vintage prints, limited edition prints, or nostalgic prints? In the next video, we will discuss how to promote your shop to the Etsy community.